Kevin Sidebottom here, and today I want to bring you a small video about one of the buying decisions. In fact, it's the first buying decision that your customer has about you. That's right. We're about to figure this one out. Everybody thinks that it's whatever I'm going to sell, whether it's this pen here that I'm selling, whether it's a cell phone that I sell. They think that's the reason people are coming to do business with you. But in fact, they're not going to buy whatever you have to sell if they don't buy in on you. That's right. Me, you're not going to buy my products that I sell unless you believe in me. That's it. So you need to hit this one out of the park. And there's a lot of parts of the sales process that go into this buying decision. There's quite a bit of work. I mean, literally, it's kind of like building a house. You build the foundation of the house before you do the walls, and then you do the roof. Just like in the sales process and the buying process that customers have, the salesperson is crucial. And if you get this one wrong, that customer, they're out the door and they're seeing your competitor. So, if you want to learn a little bit more about what I do and how I walk through the 5 buying decisions and help you walk through the sales process, click the link below in this video and you'll be able to go to my website. You'll see some of the information. I post a weekly blog out there on sales and leadership stuff. I give you tons of free content. I want you to understand that I am the expert in this and how to walk the customer through the buying decisions. So, click on the links, reach out to me. I am here for you so that you can learn how to sell even better. And here's the deal. Anybody can use it, whether you're selling to a customer, whether you're a CEO and you need all your reports to follow you into battle. Maybe you want to, sell your wife that you need to buy a boat. Or you're going to date somebody and you want them to choose you as the best option because you believe you're the best option, and you probably are, to be honest. But you got to learn how to do this. And everybody sells, whether you're in leadership, whether you're dating, whether it's your vision, whether it's, an idea, again, or a product or service. So, learn the 5 buying decisions below, and I will help you.